Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit Equalizer in Spotify. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, go ahead and tap on your library at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on your profile icon at the top left of your screen. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down a bit. Select Audio Quality. Scroll down a bit. Now go ahead and select Equalizer. Tap on Equalizer. Now you can customize the frequency of the sound according to your need. You can customize the frequency of the sound by dragging the lines up and down. And that's it. This is how you edit Equalizer on Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.